Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng isang tutorial. So if you are interested to see how I curl my hair using the hair straightener, please keep on watching. So, yung gagamitin natin na hair straightener for today is this one from Halo. And, I think ito yata yung the Kate na version. So, gagamitin natin to para i-curl natin yung hair natin. So, I actually have a curler as well. But, for the sake of this video, I would like to show to you how I curl my hair using this one. So, yung pag-curl ko lang ng hair ko, guys, is from, from the middle lang. Hindi talaga yung parang from dito sa roots. So, natapos ko na yung sa ilalim. Ayan. So, that's what it looks like. Tapos, mamaya, parang i-separate natin yan sila para hindi naman mukhang, quick chow. Ayan. So, yung ginagawa ko, yung natapos ko na, kiniklip ko lang sa ilalim. So, yung pag-separate nyo ng hair nyo, depende yun kung gaano ka thick yung hair nyo. So, yung sa akin naman, hindi siya very thick. Tapos, hindi rin siya very manipis. So, yung ginagawa ko, divide ko lang sila ng 3 layers. So, natapos ko na yung sa ilalim. Ayun na nga. Yung ginagawa ko ngayon is the middle one. So, kaya ko siya tinatali para hindi siya masama dito sa pangalawang layer. So, natapos ko na yung second layer natin. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Tapos, i-join natin sila sa yung una nating kinurl. Tapos, we'll do the top part. So, the top and the last part. So again, it's very crucial na i-brush mo yung hair para smooth yung pag-glide ng hair straightener. So, in this part, I decide kung saan yung hati ko sa buhok. Ayan. So, ayan na siya sa likod. Ganyan. So, ito na lang yung gagawin natin, yung top. Yan. So, excuse my patay na buhok. So, how you do it is parang clip nyo lang ganyan yung hair straightener. Tapos, kung alam nyo na kung saan nyo gusto mag-start yung curl nyo, ganyan. Tapos, glide lang pababa. Ayan. Kayo nang bahala kung gaano ka-thick na curl yung gusto nyo. Tapos, yung maliit na bit na to, guys, this is how I do it. Parang, paano ko siya sa likod, ganyan. Ayan. So, we'll do the rest of the hair. So, yung dito na side, obviously, gusto nyo yung curl niya palabas. Yung hindi pa ganito. Kasi katulad dito, pa ganyan siya. So, dito na side, dapat yung direction is going there. So, how I do, instead of doing this, you do it this way. Ayan. Tapos, turn. Tapos, glide down. Ayan. So, yung curl niya is palabas, hindi papasok. Ayan, turn. Ayan. So, ayan guys, natapos na natin lahat. So, we'll just take this off. Ayan. So, yun lang yun guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh. So, that's how I curl my hair using this hair straightener. So, hindi naman siya masyadong mahirap, diba? So, tingnan nyo. So, very, very nice. It won't take long. Lalo na kung yung hair nyo hindi masyadong mahaba, tapos hindi masyadong makapal. It's very easy to do. Ayan. Tapos, pagkatapos nun guys, dilalagyan ko ng vitreous. Ayan. Para hindi siya masyadong dry. Tingnan. Tapos, lagay ko lang sa end. Ayan. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching it at sana may natutunan kayo. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Please give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I would love you all on board, guys. But yeah, let me know if you like how I curled my hair. But I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!